This evening, Governor Brian Kemp and his floor leader introducing legislation allowing Georgia parents to opt their children out of school mask mandates.
The governor giving us the heads up just last week about this move that was coming, but today is our first day to actually see the proposed bill in full. New at 5, Tracy Amick-Pierre live at the state capitol to break it down for us. Tracy?
Well, the governor's office tells me there are around 45 school districts in Georgia that still have mask mandates in place, at least to some degree. Now, this bill would let those parents decide whether their children wear masks in school.
People are beyond frustrated. They want our kids in the classroom. At this point in the pandemic, we should leave it up to the parents.
At a press conference on Monday, Governor Brian Kemp and his floor leader, State Senator Clint Dixon, shared copies of the proposed Unmask Georgia Students Act. The bill gives parents and guardians the right to opt children out of school mask requirements. Parents and guardians do not have to provide any reason for opting out, and the bill prohibits students from suffering any disciplinary or academic consequence.
It states clearly that the child can't be punished or have retribution because they're not being masked. It leaves that say-so into the parent.
APS and DeKalb are among several school districts still requiring masks right now, with every metro county still considered to have high transmission rates by CDC standards as we come off the latest COVID surge.
Parents are beyond frustrated, especially with young children in the classroom. We should trust the parents, their medical providers, with the health of our children.
But as we mark 2 years since the first COVID cases were reported in Georgia, Kemp says we now have tools that work to fight the virus. Now, the bill still has to pass both chambers before it can be signed into law. Now, when we asked the CDC director last Friday about the governor's proposal, she responded, the CDC continues to maintain masks in schools is one of the best ways to protect children when transmission is high.
Tracy, thank you. And we also reached out to Georgia's Department of Public Health to ask for its take on the bill. They told us it does not comment on pending legislation and referred us to the governor's office.